This is a chain tensioner. It's made from an old coat hanger that I bent, and it hooks onto portions of the chain, allowing them to hang loose and allowing you to remove a pin or add a master link while the chain is not under tension. If you want something a little stronger and you have an old spoke that you can cut with spoke cutters, you can make a similar type device that'll be very sturdy and very handy. This particular chain does not have a master link. It's a Shimano with its special pin. We'll find a pin other than the special pin that we'll remove. Use our detensioner. If you have old spokes and a spoke cutter, I've bent this one to make a little handle. One end I've filed sharp, which allows you to open up brake cable housing after it's been cut, because the brake cable housing gets squished. It can also be used to remove tiny bits of cable that may have broken inside the housing of the brake hood and shifter. Need to hang up items on your pegboard, small items that would otherwise get lost. Take a spoke, bend it around, snap. It'll work nicely. Now we're less likely to lose small tools or small parts, and we'll know right where they are. One of the ongoing problems is have all these parts. I don't want to accidentally knock them or put them in a container I can accidentally knock off my bench. So I took an old soap dish or a little metal container that I found, glued it to a nice heavy piece of wood. Under the wood I've either put a portion of a computer mouse pad. On this one I glued to it a portion of a non-slip pad that goes under a rug. I'm not going to knock these off my workbench. I can throw all my bits in there, and I know they'll be there while I work. Looking for some place to store your tools while you're working on your bike? This empty plastic peanut butter container fits right in the water bottle holder. Throw in the tools, work on the bike. When you finish, remove, put away your tools, and you're all set. From a couple of old toothbrushes, separated by a little bit of rubber and taped together with some duct tape, I've made an improvised cleaner for our chain. And from an old juice bottle, I've cut out a portion of the bottle to protect the rest of the bike as we clean the chain. See our video on homemade improvised chain cleaner to see how we make this and use this.